Today I'm going to be doing a braid out on my natural hair. I'm excited yet a bit nervous. If you've been here for a minute, y'all know I'm really more of a slick back, put my hair up, or I'm gonna do a wash and go. And I'm gonna keep it real basic. I never really had that touch when it came to twist outs and braid outs. I don't know if it's because it's just so time consuming that I just rush the process. My hair is never 100% dry. Today I'm gonna try it. I've been using this new product and getting amazing results. Literally just one product. So I was like, I wonder what they could do on a braid out. It's almost midnight and I'm actually recording this video because I just felt like it was necessary. Like I just got the urge. So I'm contemplating if I should just jump in the shower and wet my hair or if I should just spray my hair. I feel like in the shower to make it quicker. The lineup for today's product is the one and only the Most Def Texture Foam. I'm going to be using this. And of course we got the infamous spray bottle. I haven't revisited a braid out in about, I want to say like 3 years. I'm not even gonna lie. So my hair is a little on the tangle side. So what I'm gonna do is, I should spritz it first. We're not gonna play ourselves. If I just try to detangle it like this, it's gonna hurt. Having this is water. When your hair is dry, it's gonna let you know. So don't even try to attempt to detangle it or use any type of tools because you're gonna be in trouble and you're gonna lose a lot of hair. Spray your hair first with water. Put a little moisture in her. That feels much better. It's gonna feel weird to me because usually when I style my hair, I do the LCO method. You guys know I have low porosity hair. I'm gonna say it every time until y'all understand I have low porosity hair, which means a lot of products don't absorb in. The products like to sit on top. So I find that doing the LCO method is always gonna give me long-lasting results and the most hydration. Using this one product is giving me like a little bit of anxiety because it's just like my hair feels like it's not gonna be moisturized enough. And I'm using a foam. What's on this? I don't know what's on this clamp, but we're not here for that. Mind your business. You guys know the drill. Anytime you're styling your hair, you don't have to work in small sections. I'm trying to decide how big I should make my sections because I made the mistake of making them too small. I couldn't unravel them, and then if you make them too big, then it's gonna frizz more. For me, I feel like I get more frizz. I feel like this. Hold on, we're gonna have to. It's hard to see because I'm not looking in the mirror. If you guys see me going like that, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. This should be enough, right? This cannot be a fail because I have big plans for this style. I want to take some pictures, and I'm going out tomorrow, so maybe we already speaking it into existence that this is going to be a successful braid out. I need a new, come on now. Sometimes you just got, brush is filthy. Y'all would definitely get at me if I showed you how this brush is, but it gets the job done. We're gonna detangle because one of the biggest mistakes anybody can make when doing any type of like braid out or twist out is not properly detangling your hair. Constantly running to knots as you're trying to twist and even unraveling your hair, like the takedown process. Pretty good. I'm probably late to the party. Better late than never. I've been seeing this everywhere and I've always overlooked it. Whenever I go into like Walmart or whatever, I don't stare at me, but I just thought that it just, I don't know, it's just good for wash and goes, twist outs, bride sets, braids, pixies, finger waves, and the list goes on. Apply a generous amount to clean hair from root to ends. Shingle, rake, or comb through in sections. Hair dry, hood dry, or diffuse completely before separating curls. For best results, do not apply oil to the hair before. All right, that's easy. Should be enough. And when I tell you the application is so smooth, I feel like I need a little more. Even though it's a mousse, you think that it's gonna feel drying to the hair. It actually feels super moisturizing and it goes on really smooth. Like it has a nice glide to it. I'm just gonna brush it through just to make sure everything is nice and smooth. And now we gonna braid. Can't see y'all, hold on. Just look at the definition. Crazy definition. I'm trying to get as close to my roots as I can. And then I'm gonna brush along so that it stays nice and smooth. Wish I had some perm rods because I feel like it would look so cute if the ends were really curled. And when I get to the ends, take my hand and I just twirl it like so. Like that. Alright. I definitely should have waited till tomorrow because It made sense if I would have separated my hair. I'm all over the place. I don't like to part and I can't part straight. So that's why I'm not really worrying about my parts. But I feel like if I would have separated my hair first, then I would be able to calculate how many per section. I'm thinking, realistically, because I have really thick hair, I'm thinking I'm probably going to do at least 14. I'm not going to talk too much because you guys get the gist of it. Y'all already know what we're doing. Feel free to follow along if you want to do a braid out with me. Don't do this my way. Don't separate your hair into 4 sections first, sis. This is for late night recordings. Some music so y'all can vibe to it instead of hearing me talk about nothing. Should I do a side or should I do middle? I feel like I like side. I have a pretty good feeling that this is going to eat. I'm braiding really tight because I know like the last time when I tried, the reason why it was a fail is I wasn't braiding as tight as I possibly could. You got the grip. My arms hurt. Who wanna help me? I'm not even halfway done with my hair and my arms already hurting. This is why I steer clear away from these protective styles and all of these braiding styles because it's time consuming. Felicia. Hey Corey, get Felicia. This is a cute style in itself. And I will go outside with these, period. One thing I hate about having low porosity hair is that it takes forever for my hair to get wet. It's not really gonna matter how you size them. They're not 100% even because at the end of the day, you're gonna unravel it and fluff anyway, so. We're done. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do the banding method. You guys, I've probably heard it before. I've talked about it before on my channel. Basically just gonna go in with a super large scrunchie and I'm going to wrap it around. And this is going to stretch my hair without having to use any heat. Now because I'm going to bed, I'm not gonna obviously sit under a dryer, but when I wake up tomorrow, if my hair is still damp, we will sit under a hooded dryer. I'm just gonna pull it back and I'm gonna put my scarf on and I'm going to bed. It's the next day. Fingers crossed, hopefully my hair is 100% dry. I did end up sitting underneath my hooded dryer for like a good 20 minutes and that was short-lived because I have no patience. I can't and I won't. Like I said, I have somewhere to go today. There's no plan B. You guys see me looking over here, it's because I'm recording another video for TikTok as well. Yeah, we're proactive over here. Okay. I am a little concerned about like the crinkles, but I guess that's just gonna give it a little bit more definition. My hair feels like it's, I'm not even gonna lie, it feels like it's like 98% dry. Probably another 20 more minutes, I will be straight, but I don't have that time. So, to prevent any frizz, use this whey oil for the takedown. It's gonna prevent any frizz. Like I need this to not fail, so I'm taking my time. I know that everybody has like a method to taking down their braid outs and stuff. The key is to be as gentle as possible. it feels a little moist. It feels damp right yet. It's feeling a little damp. Ooh, okay. Looking good, y'all. It's looking good. Do y'all see that? Y'all, I'm getting excited. Oh my God, I'm getting excited. It looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. Unfortunately, this piece is still wet, but the definition, look at that. This is how it looks. Look at the definition, like, come on somebody. Don't get me wrong, I love it, but I just feel like it's just too flat and it's also a little too short for me. So y'all already know what I'm about to do. I always have her on deck. We're gonna use the pick. I'm gonna pick it out some, fluff it out. I'm gonna be real with you guys. This side is like 98% dry. This side was literally like 85%. The roots are still super damp and like towards the top, but we're gonna fake it till we make it because don't nobody know, right? I didn't fix this part in the back. Like, I'm scared to touch it and I don't wanna fluff it too much. Obviously I have to like comb this part. But like, if you are curious to know how I fluff and get my hair really big like I do, all you're gonna do is take a pick like this. You can even use the one with the metal. I personally don't like it because it's a little rough on the scalp. I just take the pick right where the roots are. That's all you wanna do is put it right into the roots and you wanna bring it up. Pull it up. Pull it up. You don't wanna bother the ends. Just like that. All around your head. You could already see a difference. I feel like I left a braid. I sure done did. I done left a damn braid. All right, we're good. And I'm just gonna pick it. I don't wanna play with it too much. All right, guys. So these are my final results. I'm sorry if you hear any background noise. I have noisy neighbors, but I just wanna say I did that. This braid out is giving what it's supposed to give and then some, okay? And I'm so happy that I did this. If I would've known all I needed to do was use one product, baby, I would've been done did this, but my hair looks so bomb. And this is just day one. All I did was fluff my hair, so I can only imagine what tomorrow's gonna give. I'm praying that I can get at least 5 solid days out of this. And I'm pretty sure I can because I know how to preserve my hair at night. I know what y'all think. It's a good day. When my hair is a success, I feel like money. Okay, let me know how you feel. When you get your hair done, whether you do it or you go to the salon, doesn't it just I was really worried because like I said, I have somewhere to go, but stay tuned, y'all. Pictures coming soon. Like, I'm just like, just an overall recap of this Dew Mousse texture foam. What is even in this? Because your girl never got results like this. Like, what is even in this? Never gonna steer you guys wrong. If I find something that I like, I'm gonna always tell you. Definitely try this out. I know some of you guys don't like mousse. This one, she gonna get you a little bit together. Period. So, look at the definition, y'all. It's so freaking nice. And my hair feels so soft. I know you guys probably wanna know how my hair feels. No crunch at all. Like, hair doesn't feel like it's hard. It doesn't feel like I have anything. It's not stiff. Stiff where? Stiff where, sis? She moves. She moves. Swinging and everything. Body, yaddy, yaddy. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, let me turn this brightness down because it's giving too bright. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me, my little tutorial on how to do a braid out. Should I do a twist out next using this? If so, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're doing, baby, because it's all love, it's all hair, it's a little bit of everything on this channel. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next upload.
Simply Michelle.